Hey guys, so I'm doing a video. So yeah, oof, I guess. Hold on real quick guys, I will pause. Okay, so the screen is probably better now. So we're going to be exposing an order called XXX Candy Life XXX. If you want a reporter, yeah, okay. Okay, so we're gonna go to her profile. Hold on. Here's her profile on Discord. You can bug her if you want, guys. Here's her user. Right there. Pause the video if you guys need to. Okay. So... oh, damn. What the... yeah, so I was pretending to be with her. And yeah. Online beta. Let's see this video. Let's hope it's not brutal on YouTube. Let's see it. Oh, well, it's not loading. Come on. Oh. Discord just shut down. Why? Why? Discord, why? Okay, it's just gonna wait. Just gonna wait for it to load. Now go look at my TikToks. While it loads.
And never forget that, okay? I love you!
Okay, there. Okay, let's go. Let's go see. It's not working. Oh, Discord just shut down again. Why? Just gonna wait for it to load again. Well, Discord is taking a long time to load, so oof.
Take me to your Xbox to play Fortnite today. You can take me to Moisture Mire, but not Loot Lake. I really love to.
Why? Hold on, let me just try and exit out and... real tired. While that loads, I'm gonna refresh this. Oh wow, I have full bars. I have full bars of that. Roblox is not working either. Like, I have full bars. There, guys, look, I have full bars as you see, dude. Like, bro. It's not even working. Oh, damn. Okay, I'm gonna do this audio on TikTok. If you wanna follow me, it's, here, I'll type it in. Right here, guys. If you wanna follow me on TikTok, here's my user on TikTok. Yeah, you can follow me if you want, but it's gonna be crunchy. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm done with the TikTok. Hold on real quick. It's not loading either. Oh, wait, no. Oh, dang it. Hold on. I'm gonna do another TikTok. Hold on, I can't find the sign that I need. Okay, there. Oh, there's a notification. Don't forget. Why is it not loading? Do that. Just go loading it. Bro. We've been waiting here for a long time, and I'm just looking at TikTok. Okay, I have no internet, it's true. Let me check my internet. Okay, everything is back. Okay, that's good. Okay. Oh, we got 2 notifications on. Okay, I think that's good. Edit. Okay. What? It's not sending. Oh, why? You know what? Should I do this? Okay, anyways. Roblox user is right here. Bro. Where is she? I can't find the user. Dun dun dun. Did she unfriend me? Oh god. I'm trying to find the X spots. Let's hope she didn't. Okay, there. Is there a Roblox user? Okay, don't mind my conversation. And yeah, here's our user. Yeah, she's an online dater. Oh shoot. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. Come on.
Why is that person running? Are you okay? Is somebody chasing you? You're running on purpose.
Okay, there. You're just gonna see my conversation with Molly.
Okay? Is somebody chasing you? You're running on purpose.
Oh god. Sounds very painful. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the Hey guys, so I'm gonna end my video now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to, and yeah, share back and share. Bye guys, peace. Enjoy your day.